Let's make a Jamaican feast. Got oxtail, cabbage, rice and peas, and a seafood salad. We're gonna cook everything in order so it's done at the same time. First, we'll start off with washing our oxtail. Add some vinegar too. Then we're gonna add some sour orange, browning seasoning, a little bit of soy sauce, and this oxtail seasoning that was amazing. Habanero, green onion, garlic, peppers, and celery because we got it. Some chicken stock, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. This is what it should be looking like at this point. The only thing we still need to add is the thyme. And now we're gonna let this marinate for about 4 hours to overnight. Now let's start on our seafood pasta. I like to start with the sauce first. Mayo, simple, the salad supreme, which is so good. Cajun seasoning. Red onion, it should be about 1/4, about this fine. You don't want big pieces, small dice on these veggies too. Some seafood seasoning and some cayenne pepper. This is what it should be looking like at this point. Now we have our shrimp. We're gonna cut them in half and saute them. Add the noodles to the sauce, everything. This is what you got at the end. But keep it in the refrigerator for a while. Now let's cook our oxtail. Start with a hot Instapot. We're gonna saute it first to get some color on the meat. We added some oil to the pan. Now we're just gonna sear these off. When you got some color on them, you can flip them around. Now we're gonna add the marinade into the pot with the vegetables. We're gonna add about 1/4 of a can of tomato for the acidity. Trust me, it makes it really good. Pour that in there. About 4 ounces of water. You could do a little less if you want. Now we're gonna cook this for 1 hour and 5 minutes. Now let's make the rice and peas. Here's our ingredients. We need coconut milk, kidney beans, green onion, habanero, thyme, and 2 cups of rice for 1 can of beans. Let's season our beans up. I put some of the onions and peppers and garlic in there. Now let's add the coconut milk. We're also gonna add the rest of our veggies, or your aromatics, so that they can steep in the coconut milk before we add the rice. You wanna let this steep for about 10 minutes. Wash your 2 cups of rice. Add it, let most of the liquid absorb, and then cover it and cook for 20 minutes. Now let's start the cabbage. I use a lot of oil and butter because we're using a whole head of cabbage. I like to add a little curry powder. I usually add carrots here too, like grated carrot, but I didn't have any. But it gives it a lot of color. Cut up our cabbage and washed it. This is what we're looking like. Final plate. Jamaican feast.